Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I have two amazing things for you, and both are really amazing and you will surely like it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and do not miss any technical video every day. Now, the first application in my list is that is All Tools. Yes, that is an amazing application. Simply just have to open this application and it will be open up like this. See this? This application has more than 60 application in it. Yes. If you install this application, you don't need to install at least 60 application because this single application can work for you, and it has so many of features which you can use in this application. Let me show you some of them. You can turn on your torch, your black cam, and your walkie-talkie. You can create your phones a walkie-talkie. You can also control the phones as well with this, and you can also create a CCTV camera as well. You can create your phone and the other phone a CCTV camera just by clicking on this icon as well. Not only this, there are so many other things, like you will be getting compass, leveler, speedometer, so many of things you will be getting. This is one of the best thing you will be getting. On this you can able to write anything. See this? I can able to write anything, and I can able to remove as well by creating this one as well. You can also give it to your children as well. They can also use this one. So these kind of features you will be getting in this one application, and that is really amazing, because once you have this one, you don't need to install any other application as well. See this is has the barcode, this is the magnifier, this is the night version, this is the mirror as well. You will be getting the mirror, and then you can also get the feature of text recognition. It will automatically find all the text on your book as well. And on the bottom you will be getting some measure tool as well, which are also very useful in your daily life. And the best feature I like it that you can also record any of the voice as well. See this? It has a recorder as well, and it has the mic and the sound generator as well. So you must try this one. Link you will be getting in the description. Now let's talk about the second thing, and the second thing is the website. Not an application, but this is the website, and that is very useful. And the website name is that is 123apps.com. Yes, this is also a similar kind of application which I have shown you before, but that is totally different. See this? If you don't want to install that single application as well, then you can come on to this website. Here you will be getting so many of options. See this? You will be getting the video tools. You can able to trim any of the video. You can crop, you can rotate, you can flip. Everything you can able to do on this website. Simply have to come here and you can able to start using it. See this? You can also use the audio tools that you can trim the voice, change the volume, change the speed. You can also use the equalizer as well. And here there is an option of PDF tools. You can able to split or merge any of the PDF with two PDFs as well. So that kind of feature you will be getting here. You will be getting 123 feature on this website, wherein you don't need to go anywhere else to do any of the things. See this? You can able to convert your PDF to Excel as well. You can convert your PDF to JPG as well. So instead of going to other website or application, simply come on to this website and you can able to complete your task here on this single website. So all your features you will be getting on this website. You can try this one as well. I will be putting the link of this website as well in the description. You can check it from there. Any questions, simply comment below and we will surely get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.